To stand out as unique, all cryptocurrencies are trying to provide something different. Because of their unique features, some of them have risen to the top of the crypto market. A cryptocurrency worth noting when it comes to hype is Solana, or SOL. Although it's a revolutionary idea of a decentralized application, Solana also has other useful characteristics that make it a wise investment. So, what new feature is Solana planning on bringing to us? Is Solana decentralizing more? Let's discover the answers to these questions today! This is Fiat Bear. Before moving ahead, please take a brief moment, go down and hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go subscribe to stay connected. In this video, we will be talking about some amazing features of Solana and a new update about it, which is regarding decentralization. Without any further ado, let's get started. What is Solana? One of the most widely used cryptocurrencies is Solana. Solana is the name of the cryptocurrency platform, while a sol is the name of the individual unit. Solana is a decentralized computer network that uses a blockchain ledger created by Anatoly Yakovenko. Like a long-running receipt, this blockchain database controls and tracks the money and effectively records every transaction that has ever occurred on it. In addition, the computer network ensures that the data is accurate. The network is more stable due to the decentralized technology, and users can conduct transactions without the need for an intermediary. In addition, Solana touts itself as the world's fastest blockchain and claims to be able to verify 65,000 transactions per second for less than a penny each. While many people consider crypto coins to be nothing more than a type of currency, it's more beneficial to see them as a token that can power or enable other apps on the platform. Solana, for example, can enable smart contracts, decentralized finance apps, NFTs, and much more. Before answering the question, is Solana decentralizing more, we need to understand its features. Features of Solana. No doubt Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world. It is presently a solid competitor to all the cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Some of the essential features of Solana are: Number 1. Byzantine Fault Tolerance, or BFT. The Byzantine Fault Tolerance, or BFT system vigorously protects the Solana environment. This ensures that a single outgrowth or node error will not impact the overall system's operation. The BFT algorithm also encourages nodes to keep working after multiple failures. Number 2. Gulfstream. The Gulfstream feature works based on unconfirmed transactions. Transactions are pushed, cached, and sent. Validators can check transactions because they are aware of the trusted order. Thus, it allows them to maintain and execute transactions ahead of time. As a result, it takes lower consensus times and reduces the memory pressure. Number 3. Turbine. To speed up transactions, Sol breaks blocks into smaller batches. The batch size is usually 64 kilobytes. Hence, to transfer big-size data up to 128 megabytes, it will distribute around 2,000 individual 64 kilobyte batches to different validators to complete the transaction quickly. Number 4. Cloudbreak. Solana translates a horizontal scaling strategy that boosts scalability in the end. Cloudbreak is also organizing databases and securing hardware and software connections. Number 5. Sealevel. The Solana network uses Sealevel to take advantage of GPUs and SSDs. Also, Solana has a parallel transaction architecture unlike typical single-threaded blockchains. As a result, Solana recognizes non-overlapping transactions and performs them in parallel using Sealevel. Number 6. Pipeline. Pipelining is an optimization technique used by the Solana network for transaction validation. Pipelining is used to process data streams on a separate hardware. It helps in the efficiency of the transaction validation process. In the Solana network, this allows for faster validation and better performance. Hold on, please click the subscribe button to get an alert for more updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like. Do you have any questions so far? Tell us in the comments below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Let's move forward. People also know Solana by the name Ethereum Killer. There are multiple reasons behind this. The features that Solana is introducing could be the primary and most compelling justification for this. Solana is a proof-of-stake, or POS, and proof-of-work, POW, blockchain that is also more environmentally friendly than Ethereum. Solana is an open-source project created to host decentralized applications and has grown in popularity due to its excellent service to crypto traders. So far, the Ethereum blockchain has been unable to provide such fast speeds with similar low transaction fees. As a result, cryptocurrency traders are moving their interest to Sol. The investment in DeFi, non-fungible tokens, and others are rapidly growing. Therefore, we can say that Solana is more endurable in the cryptocurrency market. Solana DeFi projects have now crossed over $3 billion in 2021 and continue to gradually increase. Moreover, comparatively, there are more Solana-based projects than Ethereum. This explanation may clarify why Sol has the potential to become Ethereum's most dangerous opponent. It is over 3,800 times faster than Ethereum and has a far lower pocket-friendly cost. The disadvantages of Ether were used to boost the Sol score. The transaction percentage of Ethereum, for example, is only 30 transactions per second, which is a common drawback or flaw. On the other hand, Solana is capable of processing 50 to 60,000 transactions per second. No doubt, from all of the above points, we now have a clear understanding of how Solana is better than Ethereum. Solana has beaten Ethereum in terms of transaction speed, which is a huge achievement for a freshly launched currency. The vast bandwidth and outstanding transaction speed push it to the top ranking. Solana is undoubtedly receiving a positive response by reaching all cryptocurrency traders. These recent developments show that the use of blockchain techniques will become more common, and people are also forming opinions about what's going on in the crypto world. Therefore, the crypto industry has a great deal of growth potential in future years. But the question now is whether Solana is decentralizing any further. So, here's how Solana will perform in the future. Solana is creating a fresh road to success in a world dominated by Bitcoin and Ethereum. The growing blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystem is dubbed the Ethereum Killer for its ability to quickly cover recent coins. Bartosz Lipinski, its head of project engineering, told Euronews that Solana is an open network, so anyone can start building on it. We are giving people opportunities to access venture funds, knowledge from the engineering team on Solana, and then people who can vet your ideas and then help you build. So, if you are thinking about starting a company, I think building it in Web 3.0, especially on Solana, is probably the easiest route. But again, multiple teams went from probably like a few projects to 5,000 within a year, funded their companies, and started hiring. And if you are thinking in terms of startups, that's like incredible! What differentiates it from other blockchains? Like many other networks, Solana is a layer 1 network that uses proof of stake, according to Lipinski. The network's true distinguishing feature, though, is its speed. Transactions are really cheap. As a result, most individuals will only commit a fraction of a cent in a 400 millisecond block time, which is the fastest among all blockchains. While it is regarded as a viable alternative to Ethereum due to cheaper transaction fees and faster processing time, it frequently comes at the cost of more centralization. Indeed, one of the most common concerns of Solana is its lack of decentralization compared to rivals Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bartosz Lipinski also said, Solana Foundation actively is working on increasing the decentralization of the network. We have almost 2,000 nodes that are validating blocks every 400 milliseconds, and we believe from Solana Foundation at least that we will be reaching the level of decentralization that Ethereum and Bitcoin have this year. So guys, if Solana expands its decentralized feature, it may be able to compete with other cryptos. I believe that Solana can solve many traditional issues faced by other blockchain technologies and that it has a more efficient consensus mechanism. Furthermore, it promises rapid progress in the cryptocurrency market over the next 10 years, and the platform is definitely something to keep an eye on as it grows. If you're looking for a long-term investment, Solana has a good means of gaining profit. Also, it is more likely that it will keep on top of crypto rankings, and it's also possible that it might even overtake Bitcoin. But what's gonna happen next? We're not sure, so let's wait and see. And there you go, you have now learned about further improvement in the decentralization of Solana. So, do you think Solana will hit other cryptos by the end of 2022? Share your comments below. That sums up our video for today. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to this channel to be alerted about our new videos and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Again, this is Fiat Bear, and we are happy to share the crypto information you need. See you in our next video.